Hey divine folks, so today we're gonna check message from your beloved. Now, this is not for people who are single. Okay, this is mostly for people who are already in a relationship. Okay, so this is a message from your beloved. What do they want to tell you? Okay, so choose a pile which calls out to you intuitively, and yeah, the timestamps are in the description column below. Yes, so check it out and choose out which calls out to you intuitively. So hey divine folks, if you have chosen pile 1, that is the throat chakra, let's check what is the message from your beloved. Okay, so we have 9 of cups. So definitely looking at you, they feel complete, they feel satisfied, they feel like everything is as per their wish, everything is how they wanted it. You are the one, that is what I needed in my life. Okay, and also looking at you, I feel like they feel you are such a positive vibration to them. It's like talking to you or just being with you makes them feel so fucking satisfied. They feel that you raise their vibration. It's like you are their happiness. Okay, so next we're gonna pull out more 3 cards regarding what do they want to tell you. Message from your beloved for pile 1. We have strength, we have 4 of cups, and we have ace of pentacles. So definitely now what they are, they really want, looking at the strength card first, we'll go line by line. Okay guys, so looking at the strength card first, they think that you give them hope, you give them reason to live their life. You give them that strength, you give them that what do you say, the reason to live, yeah, as I said before. But yeah, looking at the infinity here, they feel like this connection is something which is sacred and pure. They feel that this is something that they want to cherish, because we have ace of pentacles. Yes, they really feel like this is a connection of eternity and forever. Okay, looking at the strength card, look at this. It's like, they are the lion in the jungle, the king, but only you can tame them. You can make them, what do you say, make them a little, oh my god, I don't know what to say. Yeah, you can tame them. I guess you might know what I'm trying to say. Yes, looking at the strength card. Yes, and the next is we have 4 of cups. Looking at the 4 of cups, I feel like whenever they feel alone, or they don't know what to do, or whenever they feel stuck, you make them, you consider them, when they feel abandoned as well, when they feel rejected, abandoned, or failure, or whatever they wish it would happen their way, if it doesn't happen, you give them that hope, you give them that support, you be there for them. You again, this thing is coming, you give them the reason to live. Without you, they feel their life is not worth it, or it's just so sad, and you give them that reason to be happy. Oh, something new I said. Yes, so this is what it means. And the next card is we have ace of pentacles. So now looking at the ace of pentacles, I feel like they want a higher level of commitment when it comes to you. Maybe they want to take this relationship to a another level of commitment. Okay, a new beginning is highlighted actually over here. And looking at the ace of pentacles, looking at the pentacles, I feel maybe this is a long term relationship. If you have been together since long, then you might resonate with this. If you have just now started a relationship with them, then this is a message that they think that this is the person I was looking for. This is something that I could feel that, this is a long lasting relationship, and I could rely on this person. This is the individual that I'll always want in my life, and that I have always craved in my life. So this is the message from your beloved pile 1. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do let me know if you liked it or not, and if you resonated or not. Thank you guys. Bye. Hey Paltu, if you chose this beautiful chakra, now let's check what is the message from your beloved. We have Mother of Swords, that is the Queen of Swords. Now, looking at this card, I feel like this person feels you're really matured. You have this sense of understanding and knowingness. You know where to speak, you know what to speak at what time and where to speak what, if I make sense. Yes, I hope you understand. Yes, they think that you maybe you went through a lot of hardships in your past, and you went through a bad past, and they know that stuff. Okay, and they respect you. Yeah, deeply. I'm more than love, I'm feeling this person has a lot of respect to you, and they feel that this person is so fucking matured, and they know what they are doing. They know stuff, and this is so beautiful. Okay, now let's check. Let's just pull out three more cards and see what is the message from your beloved. From your beloved pile two. We have 10 of swords. Okay, we got the high priestess and the chariot. Okay, so this person, maybe this person who you are asking about also have been through some bad shit in their life in the past, and hope it is visible. Yes, yes. So one thing that I'm seeing is this person that you are asking about also have been through a past bullshit, and I am seeing one of you both being worried in this relationship. It might be you, or it might be them, or it might be both of them, because you both were hurt in your past, and it's really hard. Maybe you guys have trust issues. Okay, and it's hard to move ahead, it's hard to move forward. But to be honest, if I'm looking into the future of this relationship, now, I was actually looking for a message from your beloved, but I'm seeing the vision of the future of this relationship, and it's not long lasting. Okay, I feel it's gonna be there. It's gonna die. It's now, do not be offended or something. This is a collective general reading, okay, guys? But this is what I'm seeing. Maybe this is a karmic relationship, okay? But yes, I guess one of you guys already know this relationship won't work out. This relationship won't have a future, and I feel like it might be you who knows it, or it might be them as well. Okay, this is what I'm seeing, that this relationship won't go ahead. Both of you had a rough past, and there is some kind of fear over here in this relationship. Fear of intimacy and vulnerability is also highlighted. Okay, and I feel this person is lying something to you. I'm getting the sense, I don't know, I'm feeling this person is lying something from you, is hiding something from you. Maybe uh, they have been talking to some other person as well. I'm getting this vibe. So, mm, yes, and now whatever you are experiencing is an illusion in this relationship. The reality is different. It is, and it's heartbreaking. However, message from this person to you. We'll just pull out more cards and we'll just. They have Ace of Wands. They have sexual desires when it comes to you. Again, sexual desires. And Five of Swords is a cheating card. I'm really sorry, guys. Now, what am I seeing is maybe in the past they might be cheated, or you were cheated, or something like that. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, but to be honest, the message from them is, a lot of sexual desires coming in. And also, I'm seeing that they are kind of intimidated when it comes to you. Okay, they are kind of intimidated because you know stuff, you're really matured, and they really are scared. Okay, when it comes to you. um, Looking at the Ace of Wands, yeah, definitely they want to take this relationship into a next level when it comes to physical intimacy. Okay, this thing is highlighted. And Daughter of Wands is, it's like a Five of Swords. They have been hiding something from you, that is definite, but they are scared. What if you get to know about it? And Daughter of Wands, looking into it, this, they are being impulsive, they really, they are physically so fucking attracted to you and they really want that shit. Okay, this is only the message that is being highlighted, guys. Okay, now this is a collective general reading. If you want a personalized session, my social handles are in the description column below, so you can book a session and you'll gain clarity when it comes to personal sessions, okay, about this person. But yeah, one thing that I'm sure of is, this person is talking to someone else and they are sexually very active when it comes to you and they are desiring you physically a lot. They know you have been through a lot in the past and they are scared of you. They have been hiding something from you. Okay, so this is the message that I'm getting for pile 2. It's hard to digest. It's up to you if you want to accept it or not. Do not get offended. It is a collective reading. Yes, but if you know it and you're denying the truth, then it's up to you. You're gonna be in that karmic cycle forever. Okay? So, yes, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Pile 2, do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not, or resonated or not. Okay, guys, bye. Hey, divine folks, if you have chosen this beautiful heart chakra, pile 3, let's see what is the message from your beloved. Okay. So we have Mother of Pentacles. So looking at the Mother of Pentacles, they fucking love you. They want to hold you. They want to protect you. They value your worth. They could see how much of a beautiful person you are, how much of a valuable individual you are. You are a person who they could settle with in their life. They are looking at you and they feel like, this is the mate for life. This is the person I could rely on. This is the one I want in my life. I am, as I'm tapping into their energy, I feel like, whenever they look at you, they look at you with utmost desire, blissfulness, happiness, and a sense of peace is much more highlighted than happiness. It's like they are home, okay, something like that. Okay, now we're gonna check, we're gonna pull more 3 cards and see what is the message from your beloved. Okay, guys, file 3 message from your beloved. Okay, we have 9 of Cups, 3 of Pentacles. The thing is, you encourage them to do more, you encourage them to be better. You encourage them that, they have much more than they think in their own self. Yeah, you give them that vision, that hope that they could do it. We have the deck energy as the strength again. Okay, so it's like looking at the infinity. This is like an infinity. It's like this connection is forever, for eternity. Okay, now looking at the 9 of Cups. Now 9 of Cups is a total happiness card. Someone who is very much fulfilled and grateful for what they have. So it's like when they look at you, they feel happy. They feel like, they are grateful that they have. The thing is, they don't feel they are worth it, when it comes to you. I am sensing that they have this emotion that, this person is so much worth, you know, so much worth than me being in their life. They deserve much more better than me being in their life. Because you inspire them, you encourage them, you bring out the good in them, you bring out the beautiful in them, and they are like, yes, this person can see my bad side and still say that this bad side is actually a beautiful one that I need to embrace, because this gives me, I don't know, but there is something about you that they feel that you embrace every side, every corner of them, and they feel like, this is the relationship that could make me a better person, that could build me a person who is, you encourage and appreciate them more, and the love that you offer them craves crave you. I don't know, bro, this connection is something else only. It's like a message for you from this person. It's more like, admiring you, admiring you because you appreciate them, because you love them, okay, because you encourage them to be a better person, and they see a vision of you both getting married, okay. So pile 3, this was the message from your beloved. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not, and if you resonated with this message or not. Thank you guys, bye.